Halo teman-teman, selamat datang kembali di channel Algoro dan kali ini kita akan menyelesaikan kembali nih teman-teman perjalanan kita untuk mencoba menamatkan Genshin Impact. So, semoga kita diberkahi apapun yang kita lakukan di tahun ke depan ini atau ke depannya semoga diberkahi, sukses selalu untuk kita, jangan pernah semangat, gue yakin selama kita berproses semua akan bisa, oke? Tanpa banyak basa-basi lagi, langsung aja kita mulai gamenya ya. Kalau kalian suka dengan video-video seperti ini, langsung like video gua, subscribe channel ini agar channel ini terus berkembang, sehingga gue bisa menamatkan game-game lainnya juga nih teman-teman. Selain itu kalau kalian punya tips and trick bermain Genshin Impact yang baik dan benar, terus cara gue naikin AR yang cepat gimana, cara gue bisa dapetin karakter-karakter yang bagus gimana, kalian tulis di komentar ya, supaya gue bisa untuk mencoba tips and trick dari kalian nih teman-teman. So, untuk recap, kita recap, Terakhir itu kita sudah ketemu dengan si Adeptus yang ada di sini. Kita udah ketemu Cloud Retainer sama Mountain Sharper, Nah, kita terakhir itu disuruh ke Wangshuin lagi nih teman-teman. Wangshuin itu di mana? Agak jauh ya. Jadi kita langsung teleport aja ke sini. Kita lanjutin lagi cerita tentang Geo Archon ya. Si Morax atau Rex Lapis itu namanya. So, kalau bagi teman-teman yang baru datang,
Oh, this seems to be Wangshuin. Compared to Joyun Karst, this place seems basic. Are we really gonna find an Adeptus here? Let's take a look. Paimon reckons he'll be on the balcony. Doubt we're gonna find him in the kitchen.
nah bagi kalian yang baru datang, kalian pasti bingung kan kayak Archon itu apa atau apa. Archon itu adalah dewa-dewa yang ada di Genshin Impact nih teman-teman.
Oh, he's not here?
To the blind, everything may not be as it appears. A sigil of permission? You came prepared. Though this only prevents me from hurting you myself. Doesn't stop you from getting hurt in other ways.
Paimon doesn't get it.
Too much contact with our world is breaking the rules. Mortal souls are not as robust as those of Adepti, nor can your blood carry this level of adeptal energy. It's for your own good. Leave. Now.
Wait a sec, we came in... Paimon's peeved. All he does is think about himself. Paimon wants to give him an ugly nickname. But if you tick off an Adeptus, the only thing you'll probably ever find in treasure chests is cabbages. Blech. Guess we should go ask the boss lady of the inn about just how she manages to talk to Adepti.
Tapi pemandangannya bagus ya teman-teman ya. Kalau gue pribadi tuh gue memang suka gunung ya. Kalau kalian sendiri tuh kalian lebih ke anak pantai apa anak gunung? Kalau gue pribadi gue lebih senang gunung, kenapa? Karena gue senang aja kayak udara dingin. Terus pemandangannya bagus-bagus gitu loh. Dan naik gunung itu punya challenge sendiri.
Oh, you've already met Xiao. Not bad. Not often he's in a good enough mood to agree to see me.
That's a good mood?
Oh yes, the Adepti are very hard to come by. Many people go their whole lives praying to them, never once actually getting to see one. When the Geo Archon built Liyue, he borrowed power from the Adepti. But most of them only know how to protect Liyue by fighting. So for many millennia, it has instead been humans who have led Liyue.
You really know a lot, huh, boss lady?
It's not boss lady, it's just boss. Anyway, seeing as you have the favor of the Adepti, things should be a lot easier. Well, if you want to know my opinion, if you keep Xiao in a good mood, things should be okay.
Good mood? can't really imagine what a good mood looks like for that vigilant yaksha.
Will be interesting, won't it? Come to think of it, I've never seen him smile either. How about this? You go see the chef for a bowl of almond tofu and a plate of whatever it is you're best at making. Almond tofu is one of the few human foods Xiao likes. The other dish is up to you.
Up to us, eh? What do you think you're the best at cooking? Wow! Never heard of that one! Paimon wants to try it! But if we're gonna be cooking for an Adeptus, perhaps the satisfying salad would be the safer choice.
Jadi kita harus masakin seorang dewa makanannya. Ini agak lucu ya teman-teman. Kira-kira dewa makan atau enggak ya? Kok gue malah jadi mikir. Aneh juga rasanya. Tapi itu kepercayaan masing-masing ya teman-teman ya. Jadi kalau kita sebagai manusia, kita harus tetap berpikiran secara jernih, menghargai orang lain juga loh. Itu bagus loh. Almond tofu gue butuh apa namanya? Milk, sugar, sama almond. Sugar kita bisa bikin di sini. Bikin aja 10 ya. Milk, sugar, sama almond, oke? Almond kita ngambil dari mana? Di sini nggak ada ya? Cuma radish atau cabbage doang ya teman-teman. Kayaknya gue harus balik ke kota. Kita beli dulu ya ini, terus baru kita bikinin lagi. Jadi kalau kayak gitu kita persingkat waktunya. Langsung aja kita ke sini ya teman-teman. Kalau kalian mau beli bahan-bahan makan, kalau nggak salah itu di daerah sini. Coba kita kesini dulu, oke? Nah, Genshin ini lagi ada event nih teman-teman. Jadi kalau kalian mau main, kalian bisa langsung download aja. Game ini gratis loh. Jadi kalian tidak perlu pakai beli untuk main ini. Game ini gratis. Kalau gue main di Android, nah Android sama iOS itu sama nih versinya. Sugar udah. Kita butuh milk 3 ya tadi. Kita beli 10 aja. Nah, Genshin ini juga punya versi yang ada di PC, PS5, dan juga PS4, Xbox X dan S nya teman-teman. 10 juga ini ya. Kok gue kayak lagi nggak bisa ini ya. Tadi kita kayak perlu tofu kan. Kita beli aja satu-satu ini ya. Salt and pepper ini butuh loh. Kalau kalian masak kalian nggak pakai lada sama garam, gimana caranya kalian bisa masak? Gue pribadi jago masak lah teman. Kita balik lagi ke Wang Shuin. Bagi seorang laki-laki, kalau kalian ada di dapur, pikiran kalian gimana sih? Kalau gue pribadi, gue sih emang dari zaman dulu suka masak ya. Jadi gue suka bereksperimen dengan makanan nih teman-teman. Jadi asik aja gitu rasanya. Saya turun lagi ke bawah. Dan bikin satisfying salad tuh ya. Oke, satisfying salad kita bikin. Super mudah. Terus kita ambil gulanya sudah jadi belum ya. Kalau kayak gitu kenapa gak sekarang gue beli aja ya? Coba kan ya. Almond tofu ini kita cuma butuh gula 1 nih. Dikit lagi aja. 23 detik lagi. Kita kalian dulu sambil cari kira-kira ada apa di sini yang bisa gue ambil. Nah ini kayak gini. Sunset ya, oke. Nah kalau kalian memang pengen main, kalian langsung download aja mumpung lagi ada event banyak nih. Karena kita lagi mau Imlek ya. Jadi karena game ini game Cina ya jelas kalau pas Imlek pasti kita banyak dapat ini sih. Oke, gue ambil dulu 1 dan gue bisa bikin almond tofu. Oke. Sip. Talk to the chef. Oh, malah gue disuruh talk to the chef dulu ya.
Can't you see I'm on a break, kid? Scram! Scram!
Whoa, this chef guy's service is about as good as that Wagner guy's back in Mondstadt.
I see. If it's for the boss, then guess I don't have a choice now, do I? But my heart's not really in it right now. Not enough to make a dessert as painstaking as almond tofu.
And why is that?
A fencer's hand must be steady. So too must the hand of a chef. But my hands, they're not steady. Because a traveler once told me that this inn is haunted. And then just now, in the kitchen, I saw something. Something not right.
This chef looks so intimidating, but speak of ghosts and he becomes weak.
I keep thinking, even Wangshu Inn isn't safe. I can't keep a steady hand for something like almond tofu.
All right, in the name of high-quality almond tofu, we need to go check this kitchen out.
Padahal gue udah buat ya almond tofunya.
Time to act.
Badannya gede-gede tapi takut sama setan. Kalau kalian sendiri takut sama setan atau enggak nih teman-teman? Apa kita bikin podcast cerita horor aja kali ya? Waduh, tuh disuruh bolak-balik ternyata.
What? You saw it too? There really is a ghost. What? How could I?
Okay, so he's useless now. What do we do? Forget it. Let's just go see the boss lady again.
Cepen banget nih. Udah cuma sama ini doang loh.
Scared of something so insignificant. Hard to believe he was once a notorious bandit.
You don't seem that afraid of ghosts, boss lady.
Gods and ghosts. I've seen it all before.
Come to think of it, others don't seem to know there's an Adeptus here at the inn except for the boss lady.
Shh. Say any more and you'll be divulging my little secret. Right. Best you two be off. Go see to it that little ghost doesn't go scaring anybody else. Not that I'm ordering you around. It's like the Adeptus said. Mortal souls are not as robust as those of the Adepti. So as not to be harmed when dealing with the Adepti, you can start by practicing with that ghost.
But how should we persuade the ghost?
There is a calligraphy painting in the inn known as the Witness Sigil. It's been in circulation for over 1,000 years. Go take a look at it. Once you have, look for a place outside where you can see the exact same Witness Sigil formation.
Kita harus lihat. Kita observasi dulu. Yang mana ininya? Oke. Ambil juga. Coba keluar. Oke, keluar ya teman-teman. Oh, itu dia. Ingat kalau main game kayak gini kita harus ngambil ini terus nih.
Time to act.
Oke. Begini gak sih harusnya? Oke.
There she is! So scary! Quick, you grab her! She's trying to get away! We have to follow her! If it's as the boss lady said, she won't disappear like last time.
Yang gue mau ambil si Oculus itu dulu ya. Ini penting nih buat kita naikin state of 7 kita. Aku masih belum punya karakter bintang 5 nih teman-teman.
Body and mind.
Oke, gue lagi gak bagus nih di con. Bagian di covernya kali ya. Bikin lagi, mulai lagi dari awal.
She doesn't know when to give up. This old decrepit ruin guard. Surely it's not possessed. Here goes. Get back! Ring cutter. Yeah. Leave it all to me. No, my sword. Silly Joe, Billy Joe. Finally caught you. Paimon's pooped. Silly Billy, Billy Joe. Haunting things isn't nice. Little girl, are you listening? Jilly Joe, Frilly Joe. Now listen here, young lady. Oh, okay. Dusky Ming won't tease the travelers at the inn anymore. Next time, you can come play with Dusky Ming. If you don't come and play, Dusky Ming will come find you.
Udah selesai. Kita teleport lagi ya teman-teman. Karena untuk mempersingkat waktu nih. Aduh. Gue suka ya dengan environmental Genshin itu emang bagus gitu rasanya. Apalagi di Liyue ya. Kita tadi dengarnya bukan Liyue tapi ternyata Liyue. Di Liyue ini ternyata gunungnya tuh banyak gitu. Gue jadi kangen naik gunung rasanya. Naik gunung itu adalah salah satu aktivitas yang seru banget loh teman-teman.
What? You really got the ghost to promise to stop haunting the inn? Wow. You really are something. I am in your debt. Please, wait a moment. I'll make you the smoothest, silkiest bowl of almond tofu. Haha, my hands are steadier than ever now that she's gone.
Biasa cemen. Badannya berotot begitu tapi takut sama setan ya teman-teman. Kalau kalian sendiri takut sama setan apa enggak ya? Percaya atau nggak percaya, ada atau nggak ada, itu bukan urusan kita ya teman-teman ya. Hidup aja terus.
You two, again.
Wait, don't go disappearing again.
What's this?
It's your favorite almond tofu, as well as this distant traveler's best dish, a satisfying salad. Quick, tell him everything before he finishes eating.
Rex Lapis. How could this be? I can't imagine it. Though times have changed, I've never imagined a Liyue without him. The ruling Qixing. Just what role have they played in this? I will seek Mooncarver, Mountain Shaper, and Cloud Retainer. It is time they too made their decisions. Adepti do not turn on their response. I have my reasons to not want to be tainted by the mortal realm, but responsibilities are responsibilities. Our god is the god of contracts, after all.
Wait, Paimon still has one last question. That Dusky Ming, she's...
When conquering demons, on occasion, you can come across spirits who have never hurt anyone, yet are also not yet able to be moved on. So I asked the innkeeper and the boss if they could keep her here for a time.
So really, Wang Shuin was looking after her. Really keeping a wide range of business going, huh?
Oke, pasti sudah komplit nih teman-teman. Gue coba cek dulu, ini masih belum nyala. Masih belum nambah ya lebih tepatnya. Ambil ini. Terus kita lanjutin lagi storyline-nya. Dust to Dust. Find Child, oke? Jadi Child itu yang nyuruh kita untuk ketemu dengan si Adeptus itu tuh teman-teman. Nah, Child itu adalah salah satu dari Harbinger-nya Fatui. Fatui itu ibaratnya orang jahatnya yang di sini ya, tapi dia malah bantuin kita nih di sini. Nah, ini lagi ada event nih teman-teman. Jadi pas banget kalau kalian mau mainin. Tuh. Nah, kalian bisa mainin kembang api atau apa. Dan kalian bisa dapetin banyak Primo Gem nih teman-teman. Tapi Liu Wei ini bagus ya, vibe-nya vibe China gimana gitu. Kayak kota budaya. Kalau Monster itu kota City of Freedom, kalau Liu Wei ini kayak kota dengan budaya gitu loh.
You finally returned. How was your journey to Jueyun Karst? I see. Huh. Moon Carver, Mountain Shaper, Cloud Retainer, Conqueror of Demons. Some of these names have never come up in the intel the Fatui gets hold of. As a returning gift, I too have information for you. Regarding the Archon's passing, the Liuek Qixing's response really has given me food for thought. They've announced that, as the true killer has not yet been found, they are not allowing anyone to pay their respects to the Exuvia. They've even gone so far as to try and cut off information. But with the right of dissension and all, even the Qixing isn't able to keep a lid on things.
Exuvia?
It's common knowledge in Liyue that Rex Lapis is also an Adeptus. The Geo Archon is also the god of contracts, and is also known as the Exuvia, prime of the Adepti. The mighty and illuminated Adepti of today all signed contracts to protect Liyue way back then.
Guess that explains why they're all so focused on Liyue's well-being.
Naturally, they both have the responsibility and the aptitude for the job. If the ruling Qixing became unable to perform their duty properly, the Adepti have the right to take corrective action. The Geo Archon's spirit has risen, so why would the Qixing hide his vessel? Truly suspicious.
Oh, right! He's the whole reason we came here! If the Liyue Qixing has locked up Exuvia and won't let anyone near, then our quest to find the Seven is already over.
Oh? You're trying to find the Seven? And just why might that be, pray tell? Nice answer. A knight that gets duped by the Fatui would really be no knight at all now, would they? But I can help you with that too, you know.
Really?
Give me some time. Time to find someone. Someone who can help you break through this stalemate. Truly fascinating. The harder they try to silence the situation, the greater the chaos that erupts. If you want to be around to see it all come crashing down, best you stay alive until we next meet, yes?
Oke, chapter 1 Act 1 udah selesai. Dan kita harus naikin ke adventure rank 25 nih teman-teman. Tinggal satu lagi sebenarnya supaya gue bisa naikin ke rank 25. Cuman gue harus banyak grindingin dulu ya teman-teman. Baru nanti kita lanjutin lagi. So teman-teman, kemungkinan besar videonya cuma sampai sini dulu. Karena gue harus grindingin lagi sampai kita ke AR25. Baru kita lanjutin lagi story lainnya. Sebagai kalian yang suka dengan video ini, please like video ini. Kalau kalian punya tips and trik cara bermain Genshin Impact yang baik dan benar, terus cara gue naikin AR dengan cepat, cara gue bisa dapetin karakter yang bagus-bagus, itu kalian tulis di komentar supaya gue bisa ngelakuinnya. Dan juga jangan lupa ya kalian subscribe channel ini supaya channel ini terus berkembang dan gue bisa mainin lagi game-game yang lainnya juga nih teman-teman. Oke, sampai jumpa di kesempatan selanjutnya ya. Dadah.